Hello! In today's video, I would like to show you a couple of tips and tricks to use all capabilities of our report designer in SDC Verifier. In order to create the report, there are a couple of different options. There is empty template, model setup, results, or full template. I will use the full one. After the report is added, the report designer window will appear. Here, users can add all the information about the model, all the results, and post-processing too. In order to generate the report, there is no need to generate all items in one go. It can be done, each item can be generated one by one. So for example, first page. Here, user is able to edit the first page by right-clicking Edit, where all the information about the engineering company and customer can be added. Here on the bottom right corner, select also the view which will be presented in the first page. I will select from view and default model view. There, if I want to update my page, I have to right click and generate. As you can see, it's already done. And the next advice I can give you is that while preparing the results report, the result templates and tables and views can be prepared only for one of the loads and then copied to another chapter. I will generate all of these first. And then I can copy any of the view, right click on the chapter where I want to add it, and simply click paste. Here I can edit the views or category which I would like to represent. So instead of displacement, I would like to see dresses, and I would like to see only my platform view. On the right hand side, I can also choose the selection for my view. So instead of showing the full one, I can delete the selection and add all the plates, for example. So I can select my property, or I can select, for example, my section security nest before. Let's select property, my plate, and click OK. When I generate just this plot, you will see that only this part which I selected is. Now, when I would like to present the same plot tables for any of the other load conditions, I can simply load them, copy them by Ctrl+C, go to any of the load combination or load group, click Ctrl+V, and you will see that your plot is. If I edit it, you will notice that the load set was automatically changed. So the only thing which needs to be done is to click generate. Another thing which can be useful to represent the results is importing the plots which were already created in main SDC window. I don't need to recreate them here from the scratch. I can simply go to my import tab, job results, select the plots which were created before, and click add, and plots are now added to the report tree. Also, any of the plot can be adjusted also from the right hand side window here, where I can choose the description of the table position. I can choose selection and view, which can be adjusted. After the report is prepared, you can simply export it directly to Word or PDF just by simply pressing the button on the top ribbon of the Report Designer. In order to save the report, there is a button on the left hand side where user can choose the name, and while closing, the information which appears shows as the check button to save with generated content. If we use this option, we don't need to generate our plots after reopening the report.